How can I forgive my husband for lying about our child? A few months ago, I noticed a huge behavior change in my son. He started forgetting everything, was insanely irritable, and his grades went from A's to F's in no time at all. My husband said it was normal teenage boy behavior, but I felt like something was off and took him to the doctor. They did some psychological tests, thinking it might be autism or a learning disorder. They tried to brush me off after, saying nothing was wrong with him, but I held firm and demanded they do more tests. After a few days, I was told my son had juvenile Huntington's disease. I got in contact with a neurologist to learn more. He asked if it was me or the father who had it. I was confused until he explained it was a hereditary disease. I asked my husband if anyone in his family had Huntington's, and he said no. When I explained what the neurologist said, he went pale and insisted it must be a rare case, or maybe my family had it somewhere along the line. I told him one